MeghalayaPost.news.
School Little Flower Higher Secondary School Gabon Lakh Sngi Mawbri Hariboy District Bynta kasi kalala ban Pynkut no Rakhe Rakhe Golden Jubili lane Rakhe dap san posnem gaje linti Haka Sngi balungkum kata keslem ban aji kai na Haka te thang hebra hoy Haka te Sngi baka School Little Flower Higher Secondary School kala Pynkut no Rakhe dap san posnem la sakhi dak jingdon Conrad ke sangma menteri rongba kum ukungsan harangkar ke jingdon lang udaman bai lamare MLA gamroi kum usimbut kungsan uba isen ehing MDC Roy, Father Balestin Marbanyang Principal School, ki Officer Sorkar, ki nong hikai lembat ki khana school, Bamenta, Barim, jong ketika school. Kumbat syukudew ne, ya ka School Little Flower Higher Secondary School, la sengos nem she jar klais panyusan. Haka baga jing tumu jong ketika school, kalong ban pen seprang ya ka jing nang jistan, sya kisnong ki bodon hak ketika tang Mawbri lembat kisnong bamarjan. Kum kuwe kislem aji hikai sya ki khana school ka School Little Flower Higher Secondary School, haki ne kisan post nem jong ketika inti, ketika school kal nang kiu kat barang mi Sngi por. Bad kabala kala long kum ko wei nak islam aji kai belapau hari boy mingi bad nak ketika school lami sibun kisamlag belaban pendem ya ki jing pule jong ki hagi kadan baper habakren hak nek Sngi Pynkut ke sama ulong baka sarkar ke le sitam ban kentiu ya ka pule puthi ha ka jela ka pule ka puthi kamde ka kam ka basuk ban kentiu wud wala kata ka sarkar ke le sitam ban kentiu ya ka pule puthi ha po ka jela
Banyak sendral lang bani, Singapore, hakun kini walai por bakhanjat, handai lapung lang ya kini ka program, kabanjai baik, kumne ke balakalong, waladan katu kini ke jinjot hakapor. Jadi, anu sumpan ya kapor, hani hanjat ya pi pada ki present student ki bamenta, ki pada dai na kabanta, benda pune, bat kumjulu ya pi kinai kai, ki pada nane. Kapor kanan kala habadai bat kumno ban betil linti api kapor la kabanta kumno bapin syam ya ka jingkir khliet ban long ki khna ki bandan ya ka jingnang jing staff ha ka pule ha ka tho ka tar ban pai sha ka kadan ban long ki nam jot kam long ga ai kam ka basuk hi kom ki khna school ru ki badan banta hangne yang ande banyak sakhi pi bat kini ki nuksa ki mangrapur syakmat tolong mabiru ki kuon jong kini kadang kathan riboy kami balong kita ki kena iba pulia ban mi syakmat ban minat ha ki jing pulia ki jompi ba nang ba ki ba pi pelat ya kapor ka jompi kom ki kena skol tanong long bijayai tang ban syupul ladai ya ka jingdan tingam jong imei pa jong bi henrei ban pelat ya ka jing pule ka jong bi ya ka jing minat na ka ban ta ban yo ban khai ya jing job ha ka jingem ka jong bi aswai bi kene ka jing pasur kon ki kana skol ha ka pule ka puthi ha kine ki si jing banta ka jing pule kam de ya tang ka curricular Pilar punya sim benta ha ka curricular activities bapher lemba ka jingbetility jong kinong ikai
Muslim pengikirman sekali ho haki por kismi ki bangsawan nila yosu so pang rakhe jaga jingdap snem jong kali ke school jong kali ke property kepada kau kali ke Sngi Mawbri ke jongi ngalet sekali ho banyak por jong kali ke school The Little Flower Higher Secondary School, hila bangga, kita school kita lepas ni kita ayo dengan ngam ke betul, agak jingin ke jangki. Hado, hila muipun, di crowd terkat, di reunion, di sesar, di father, di doktor, di advocate, di professor, kita terus shadow support, United States, USA, hila bang. Kita ada ni lepas lagi perform lagi ke school Little Flower Higher Secondary School. Ada kerja sekali, join Little Flower Higher Secondary School. Tanang pemilih sosok, jadi dunia kita ni harus sab terpang Meghalaya beli, dari Meghalaya beli itu betul hati por kusni agak jingin berjumpa. Ia kerana sekali tu, begini kita pro. Jom kerana ketem ni buat di IAS, di IPS, di ISS, di tahun bahas mulai dari kita seni nampak kali ke sekolah Little Flower Higher Secondary School, hati por kusni kita bersama. Hayat ngarang ini betul. Manam pun sebelum konten dan tren. Tanda jin betul jin sebelum betul. Ya baru kini di pihak sekolah kini pulai apa kini sekolah. Tolong kita teruskan. Ya kalau kan berpilih, tolong kita teruskan. Kita teruskan movement mesin dan long kita kurang yang hilang hindai kejampi.
Taken many steps to change and to improve the overall education sector. In the last 7 years, thousands of crores have been invested for the education sector, where government school buildings, government colleges, government secondary, higher secondary schools, almost 90% of them have either been renovated or been given new buildings. Large number of schools have been supported with funds, whether in the form of ad hoc grants or whether in the form of deficit grants, where Meghalaya may be one of the only states in the entire country, and especially in the northeast, where we provide direct grant and support to private schools. You will be surprised to know that in states like Nagaland, in states like Mizoram and other smaller states in the northeast, government do not provide any grant to private schools. Whereas in Meghalaya, we are providing grants to over 7,000 schools, amounting to 1,200 crores every year in terms of salary grant. This speaks volumes of the kind of support and commitment that we have towards education. Just this morning, one of the important meetings I had was with the Association of the Ad Hoc School Teachers. As you know, they have been agitating for some time regarding their salaries. I met them today. I spent almost an hour and a half speaking to them. I understood their problems. I have always been very, very sympathetic and empathetic towards the concerns of the teachers. We have helped them in the past, but now we are working towards creating a much more stronger and a better mechanism to support the ad hoc teachers. I'm sure that with the decision that we took today, a very, very positive direction will be there for the ad hoc school teachers and also the other categories of teachers which fall under private schools but grant in aid being given by the government. We're working on a solution, and very soon the details of that will be out. But we had a very positive meeting, and I'm hopeful that with this decision we will actually see some sort of a permanent solution to the problem of ad hoc school teachers in our state. Having said that, I must appreciate the contribution that has been made by the Catholic Church, the missionaries, and also other churches and other denominations when it comes to education. We have always seen that our priests, our sisters, our brothers, and all those leaders of our faith have always dedicated themselves to the service of mankind. The education and the quality and the passion with which they have served the students, they have served the children, they have served the citizens of this region, of our state and of the country, is something that we must all appreciate. Therefore, I would like to especially give my sense of appreciation to the Catholic Church, the mission, all the fathers and sisters who have dedicated their life to our younger generation. Sure, it's been a very, very tough journey, but a very, very fulfilling and satisfying journey. Many people have played their part in the roles. In the past, the principals, the past teachers, the past members of the managing committee, the past pupils and the students. All of you have contributed to making Little Flower School what it is today. I take this opportunity to give my sense of appreciation to all the past teachers, the past pupils, the past principals, and all who have made Little Flower School what it is today. So I take this moment to thank all of you, and I wish Little Flower Higher Secondary School the very best for the future, and I hope that Almighty will continue to bless the school, bless the people working in the school, bless the students who are studying in the school, and all who are associated with this wonderful and this beautiful institution called Little Flower Higher Secondary School. I'm very happy also to announce that based on the memorandum that you've given to me, I cannot maybe give enough to be able to complete the project that you desire. But every long journey starts with a step. And I've always seen that when it comes to these kind of works and decisions, our fathers and our priests are one of the most efficient and best at ensuring that once they take a decision, they start the work. They know that God will bless them and God will bless us, and we will reach the destination that we have planned. But it must have the courage and the decision to start that journey. So I'm very happy today that the principal and our sister who announced this project about the new school building. I'm so happy that this decision has been taken. Father, I promise you that we will be with you and we will work together to see that this building is completed and we are fulfilling this particular desire and decision that you have taken. So to start the first step from my Chief Minister's Special Development Fund, I'm happy to announce a fund of 25 lakh rupees to be donated by me for the starting of this building. I know it's not enough, but we will work together and we will ensure that we are able to successfully complete it.
MeghalayaPost.news